Hey everybody, it's a nice cloudy day today. It's supposed to rain, starting to drizzle. There's me motorcycle. But I'm over at my parents' house. We're going to have hamburgers for lunch. And then later on tonight, we're going to a concert. Whoa! For a band called Show Red. And there's Carrie. Carrie, what are you doing? Hold still. And Dottie. And the grill. It's been about 2 hours since you last saw me. But you knew that because of the previous title page. We're going to the concert. Isn't that right, Dottie? Well, you're not going to the concert. We're in Asheville, in a fancy building. Yeah, I got the tickets. We're in Asheville again, in the daytime for a change. Hello everybody. Hello. We're walking through Asheville and it's raining. And we just went and saw Showbread. And they were absolutely amazing.
Completely free!
Yeah, it was a free show. And you can actually go to showbread.net and download their album for free. Just to let you guys know that. They killed the world's biggest butterfly to make that skirt. It is a very rainy night in Asheville. And we don't have umbrellas. So we're forced to walk through the cold rain. It's about 40 degrees tonight.
Hey.
My sister's talking behind me. I'm singing in the rain.
Shut up! No one cares!
I'm singing in the rain.
Yeah, no one cares!
What a glorious feeling.
You made all your viewers
I'm happy again. Actually, you gotta sing in the rain and be happy about it, or else you'll be miserable.